How to draw a panda. So first start out with a circle. I would recommend doing this with a pencil or something that erases at least. Alright, so erase these two areas. I had to draw those areas like really light because of this. Yeah. And then start making some fur. Here's my panda's fur. Alright. You can start making the ears now. Just make it like this. Pretty simple. And what I always do when I make a panda is I color it in a little lighter in the black areas. Then the outline can show up. Just make the nose like this, and then color it in darker this time. And you can do like this for the eyes and the little line over there. And depending on the expression of your panda, you can make it like a different kind of mouth. Mine is going to be like this. A little different, but yeah. Yeah, it's shocked, so I made it a little square mouth, and it's blushing a little bit, but yeah. So now we can start with the body. You can make arms like this and another arm sticking out, and color it in like this. Really lightly. Yeah. If you make the feet, just put a little oval thing over there, and then another one kind of over there, and then we can make a line connecting them. And then make it look like a paw. Okay. And then you can color it in. And pandas actually have like white tails, and yeah, most people think that they have black tails, but I researched it on the internet like a few months ago, or maybe in June. Yeah, but you can make it a black tail if you want, because I'm not even sure about that. So that's how you draw your panda.